Hello traders and welcome back to my trading channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the most common ways of analysis in trading, which are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So let's go first with technical analysis. This type of analysis is a way of evaluating securities like, for example, Google in this case, by analyzing the data generated by the same market activity. And this type of analysis is based on the idea that market trends can predict future activity. For this reason, this type of analysis is used to identify trend directions and potential trend reversal. So here, let me show you a few examples of the tools I use for technical analysis. One of them is RSI, which is this one. Another one is MACD, which is this one, and moving average, which is these lines. And if you want to learn how to use every single one of them, stay tuned because I will start uploading videos explaining them in depth. So the next type of analysis is fundamental analysis. And this analysis evaluates securities by analyzing their underlying value and the factors that impact their price in the long term. Some of these factors include financial statements, these ones, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, etc. Another one is industry trends, like where the market is going at the moment. Another one is the macroeconomic conditions, like for example, GDP, unemployment, inflation, interest rates, etc. And finally, company management, like for example, who is the CEO of the company, and how competent he is. Analyzing these components can help you to evaluate the company's financial strength and growth potential, as well as to identify potential risks or opportunities. So you might be asking yourself which approach is right for you. Well, it really depends on your trading style and goals. Some traders prefer to use technical analysis, while others prefer fundamental analysis. So it's important to remember that no single method of analysis is perfect, and it's generally best to use a combination of both methods in order to get a more comprehensive view of the security. So that is it for our video in types of analysis. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.